guys, we're gonna do a room tour. Alright! Ganito ba yung feeling ng lavish lifestyle? Yung gigising ka na lang, may pagkain na.
Kahit ako mga Nepo babies.
Ano?
Nepo baby.
Nepo baby. Kain ka na daw, Nepo baby. Dad! Thanks, Dad, sa pa-swimming, Dad. Nag-enjoy po ako sa swimming. Pagpatuloy niyo lang po yung business. Uy! Happy Friday, y'all! Pero it's a work day. Kaya hindi ganun kasaya. Joke lang. Gising ko lang ka din kasi. My energy is not yet there. Coffee muna. For those who are new to my channel, I am John Repeat Pangilinan, 25, living independently here in the Philippines. Hey. And yeah guys, it's a Friday. Kailangan natin lumaban para sa sahod guys. Alam nyo naman. Meron tayong mga binubuhay sa lipunan ng Pilipinas. Kailangan natin mag-contribute guys. Baka maapektuhan yung mental health kapag walang pumapasok na pera. And I think guys, it's been a while since nag-vlog ako. Kasi alam nyo naman, I've promised na kahit papano mag-upload ako every month. And this is it. And we're just back in the YouTube industry, no? Kayo na kasi ang priority ko guys. And this vlog actually guys will focus on a day in my life as a work from home IT business analyst for an IT company. And also in the afternoon, meron din kaming team building. We'll be traveling and going there. Diba? Kahit na may team building kami, may outing kami, pero may ano pa rin kami, may work pa rin kami, diba? Kasi nga guys, may mga kailangan tayong fulfill na mga responsibilidad. Kailangan natin mag-ambag sa mga lavish lifestyle ng mga scholar natin. Eto na, mag-work na ako. Baka sabihin ng mga scholar. To give you a brief background, I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Arts, BS, Bachelor of Science pala. Pero yeah guys, I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Work from home ako pero it wasn't always like this guys. 1.5 years din akong nag-office. I've rented the place in Clark. It was really building up my career that time. Kaya din siguro ako nawala sa pagbablog. It's one of the reasons I wanted to establish a career and I do believe that education is the key to success. And legit yun guys, kaya nga kapag every time na may nagda-doubt na tatapusin ko ba yung course ko, ganyan, lagi ko sinasabi na kailangan nilang tapusin. It's something that people won't be able to take away from you. It's something that you'll be proud of up until you get old, and it's key to success. Yun yung number 1. Ang aga-aga na kapag motivation. So for me, yesterday was able to finish 2 tickets and been collaborating with the team. Also been playing around with the dev environment. So normally guys, naka-prep na yung mga meals ko para medyo mabilis ang lunch ko, hindi nasasayang yung oras. Tinapos ko na rin halos ng work kasi excited na ako for this afternoon. So konting work na lang and then alis na din tayo kasi medyo malayo pa yung biyahe. One of the things na nagustuhan ko sa work ko, as long as you get things done, yun na yun. Hindi nadala eh. Guys, kain. Ato guys, kain na kayo. Bigay yan ng kapitbahay. Thank you po. Normally guys, ganito talaga yung everyday life ko kasi talagang nakaupo yung work ko. And in simple words, guys, my role is an IT business analyst. I'm a middleman, so I talk with the clients for requirements, kung ano mga kailangan nila. If they need a document about the system, I'll be creating it. Workflows, mga visuals, mga mockups, pwede din ako mag-design yung mga simple lang, yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga system, ganyan. Making sure that all the requirements tick the box. Kinakausap ko yung mga nagko-code, mga QA testers, ganyan-ganyan. So, ganun. Yung iba kasi para sinasabi call center daw. Yung iba daw kapag IT nagko-code. Yung malala, gumagawa daw kami ng ref. Alright! So, nakita ko lang yun sa TikTok actually guys eh. Laging sinasabi nitong kasama ko. Alright. Ayun. Sir is Makoy. High school friend, we come a long way. And magkatrabaho pa. Check natin, no?
안녕하세요. Hi vlog.
Welcome, Ate Eka. Uy, artista, bakit yun?
Hello.
Sino pupunta tayo?
Saan kasi tayo pupunta? Guys, sorry no, hindi ko din kasi alam. Alam ko lang greenery. Importante kasi guys, walang work ng hapon. Pag team building, may pa-premyo pa. May pakain pa.
Windy City never looks so clean. I got 2 shots down the road from the beach. She worked 2 shifts in a swing at the street. I know she knows just where to go. She been acting foreign when I'm miles away. In the city, she don't have an to change. Yeah.
We're here. Yeah, magbabatian yan. So, meet my workmates. Let's go.
Hi.
Alright!
Hello!
Hi, Pete.
Bossing pala to eh. May dyaryo ka na yan, Boss Bims. May dala ka ng dyaryo niyan. Mahit po eh. Hello.
Sige, sasanla ko na lang si Maka.
Papamontage.
Sino yan guys? Sino to? Sino yan?
Long time no see, guys!
Miss Wickles. Hello! Wait lang. Uy, hey, Boss Billy, kamusta ka na?
So guys, magbe-bless tayo.
Bless po, bless. Jemina, kamusta? Iyo, Ben. Isa.
Ay!
Hey, Jemina!
Hoy! Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog, bossing. Ang dami kong kakilala, guys. Artista tayo dito. Alright, si bossing.
Uy, wala akong ganyan.
Para sa raffle, guys.
Left-handed.
Ang hirap ng bingo. Thank you, te, ha. Nagamit din kita, te. No, sir. Ate Bia, nabalian ka na ng buto? Balian kita.
Ay, oh, ikaw!
Balian ulit kita.
Thank you, Boss Gins.
Alright. Guys, we're gonna do a room tour. Alright! Diba?
Parinig naman po ng isang masigang palakpak! Parang may nakita ko nakaputi.
Wow!
Parang ano, retreat.
Eh, so good naman guys. Mukhang maganda naman.
7 minutes.
Ang ganda niya guys.
Napaka-excited!
Ang grabe yung energy natin today guys. So, grabe yung mga ka-team ko, no? Yung mga ka-workmates. Hindi ko sila lahat ka-team pero same company.
Sir. Uy, sino boss? Ay!
Ito nga po pala.
Contractor! Hello ka muna, bossing. Bossing. So, paano nyo po na-achieve yung ganitong bahay, di ba? Like, di ba?
This is the guest room number 1. Wow, guest room.
Oh, CR.
Oo, dating powder room lang. Wala kasi marami, kaya ginawa na namin kwarto.
Oh, di ba?
Lawak niya nga, oh. Ganda, oh.
Grabe yung view guys. Ganda. May volleyball court din sila dito.
Baka di ka sanay.
Kailangan bubog yun.
Paano, Mia?
Pag walang...
Paano?
Hindi ako pwede magaling pang mali.
Nagets din nila.
Oh, magpaparapol sila guys. Ayoko mabunot sa 1K guys. Dapat sa 5K yung goal. 5K. Yes! Bawal nang umulit kapag nabunot ka na. Tapos sa mga niyan, 2,000.
Pinag-uusapan pa. Nabunot tuloy.
Tatlo.
Kapag talaga pinag-uusapan.
Uwi na tayo, Rick. Uwi na tayo.
Una? Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Hello, Ate Suzy. Thank you po. Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Sana all, umagang-umaga, nagpapakita kayo ng ganyan. Ganito ba yung feeling ng lavish lifestyle? Yung gigising ka na lang, may pagkain na.
Kain na kayo mga Nepo babies.
Ala.
Nepo babies.
Nepo baby. Kain ka na daw, Nepo baby. Good morning, bossing.
Hi.
Hi. Guys, swimming tayo, Max. Swimming tayo, Max.
Tara, G, man.
G. Tayo, boy. So, hi guys. So, swimming tayo. Kasi I feel like hindi ko kayo masyadong nasamahan. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung lavish lifestyle ko. Hindi. Siyempre, kapag nag-work, guys, it's not always about work. You need to give some credit on your hard work and all, di ba? Tibia! Talon! Tibia, talon, una ulo. Ayoko. Ang demure naman ng ayoko. So guys, ito yung mga kasama kong mga Nepo babe. Diba?
Sa resort ni Boss Wa.
Sabi kasi ni Dad, mag-chill muna daw kami sa resort.
Uy! Aray!
Dad! Dad! Thanks, Dad, sa pa-swimming, Dad. Nag-enjoy po ako sa swimming. Patuloy niyo lang po yung busy. And welcome guys to our challenge today. It's going to be a race. It's going to be a first time here in this vlog. Kalaban ko ngayon si Makoy. And we're gonna be swimming from there to here. And titignan natin who's going to be the winner for this season.
3, 2, 1, go!
Di ba tatapos?
Pagbigyan kasi channel niya baka mapaiya.
Medic, hinihingal ako. Magbigayan tayo ng hininga.
Cut.
So guys, swimming is done. Going to check out. Pupunta tayo sa second resort ni Dad.
The vlog for you. Aray!
Tita, hindi ko po kasalanan na nasaktan yung anak nyo, ha. So yeah guys, pauwi na kami. Just nagbibihis lang and probably bigyan ko lang ng explanation bakit lagi kong linoloko yung mga I'm just really sad and frustrated din kasi you all know na isa ako sa mga taong malapit sa flood prone area and linulubog kami lagi and then all of a sudden we'll just be seeing those people who are enjoying. I'm just making fun of it but I'm raising the awareness na sana naman lumaban ng patas. And you all know naman na dapat yung mga taxes natin is napapadpad sa good outcomes or projects para sa buong Pilipinas na ma-enjoy natin, di ba? Yun lang naman. Thanks everyone. Thank you, Boss Reman. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Alright. Pauwi na kami. First of all, I would like to thank all the organizers and lahat ng tumulong para to make the event successful. We do appreciate all your efforts po doon. And that's the vlog, everyone. Please hit the like button. Comment down your suggestions if meron bang malapit na travel na pwedeng puntahan. And subscribe as well. And don't forget to...
Hit the like button.
Hindi. Yung bell, boy. Yung bell. Yung notification bell.
Ring the notification.